talking about calf augmentation. And it's a surgery that I think is a wonderful surgery, underutilized. There's so many men out there with skinny calves and wear pants all the time. I'm one of them. Anyways, I kind of am a surgical adventurist. There's not many guys who do calf augmentations in the country. I mean, I would say probably less than 20 that do it on a regular basis. So I'm going to show you kind of what we do with calf augmentation. Here's a man's skinny calves, and look how nice they look. And they really do add a lot of volume to the calf. You see that? Look at that, and they look natural. That's the beauty. I have a whole gallery of them, and there definitely are nuances to the surgery. You can't just decide, hey, one day as a plastic surgeon, I'm gonna do calf augmentation. It's something that you have to want to do, learn about, do, and there's a lot of little nuances. In fact, on one of the little nuances is on some people with really skinny calves, it's hard to get enough room in there to place an implant and make a sizable difference. And now I'm doing stacked implants. I put one implant on the other to get more volume, especially in the center compartment. Sometimes people have 3 implants. They'll have one stacked on the center compartment, one on the lateral compartment, because you always want that center compartment a little bigger. The recovery's not that bad. The patients love them, and they're just a great result. So you can take a look and just see which side of the aisle you want to be on. This side or that side? This side or that side? Look how great those calves look, and they do look great.